Happiness is not something that only you can influence. It is something that is easily influenced by the people around you. If you encounter a negative person, they take your happiness away. But if you encounter a positive person, they give you happiness. Given how many people you interact with daily, this is very hard to control. What you can control, however, is how you view each person. If you view everyone you encounter in a positive light, you can turn everyone into someone who gives you happiness. That is why in this session, we will focus on trying to look at the positive traits of others in our meditation. So when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, breathing in the clean, calm, refreshing air, and breathing out any thoughts or worries. Gently bring your mind to the center and let it rest. As you keep your mind centered, bring to mind an image of someone you love and care about. Recollect only their positive qualities, the things you love the most about this person. Recall how happy this person makes you feel when these positive qualities are apparent. Now, bring to mind another person and do the same. Let us now continue in silence and at your own pace. Bring to mind people you care about and reflect on their positive qualities. us take in one more deep breath, feeling the joy that radiates from your center when you reflect upon the positive traits of others. Eventually, you would want to get to the stage where you can happily recall the positive qualities of anyone, including neutral and difficult people. But for beginners, we recommend simply recalling the positive qualities of people you love and care about, and then working toward the more difficult people over time. Seeing the positives in others is an important skill for you to remain happy. If you constantly see the negatives in others, it will make your mind negative. But if you see the positives in others, it'll bring positivity to your mind.